Okay, that's interesting. So that all seems to be working, which is cool. Current viewers. So it's actually a little bit different. Because I was streaming a minute ago. And no, I don't know if I was actually streaming. It's a mystery. Anyway, never mind. I'm just gonna work on my game. If anyone has any questions or anything, let me know. I have gone through it a bit already, but it's basically this multiplayer RPG is the end goal. It's got marching cubes and trying to do the terrain like in 7 Days to Die. So yeah, let's gonna make sure this is all working correctly as well. So use my multi one to plug in here, and I should be able to see stuff. So should be able to see. Right. Yes, the multiplayer is working. Okay, that's cool. So multiplayer is working, stream's working, marching cubes working. It's running pretty smooth as well. Physics processor at 60 FPS, and I'm going to optimize that at some point when it needs it, but at the moment, for testing, it's really smooth. That's cool. Right. So what I want to work on today is two things. One is for the marching cubes terrain. At the moment, I'm just loading up a scene. What I really want to do is so that the server sends the scene through to the client, primarily the terrain data, because that's a big unknown how that's going to be sent through. I did like a little test sending through a big chunk of data beforehand, and it seemed to go okay, but I'm not too sure what size that was and how that's going to perform for like multiple large chunks. And one other thing that we want to look at is inheritance of entities, so that I can have these swords as something which, for instance, I can place on the ground, and then as a client I can pick it up, and then the other clients know that that sword is no longer available to them, basically. So I'm gonna have a look at that today. I'm gonna start by making a small test entity. Right. So what kind of information does an entity need? Well, if we have a look at where is it now? Did make an entity script. Okay, and this is the entity scene. So this is kind of what I want to be the base. So this scene has a 3D spatial attached to it, so that would already store position and stuff. I'll just save this actually. So that's different type of entities, but I think I should be able to extend my base scene. Oh, sounds like a door.